Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin with hair mostly dry and lightly textured so the clip grips instead of sliding. Once done, mist roots with dry shampoo or a light texturizer. This adds friction, so the clip stays. Next, gather hair at the nape as if making a low ponytail, keeping hair flat against the head. Make sure to hold the banana clip open and place its teeth under the gathered section, centered on your skull. This first placement determines balance and prevents sliding later. Now you compact and secure. Twist the gathered hair one time toward the center to create a neat column. This reduces bulk and helps the clip hold thin hair. Once twisted, bring the clip halves together slowly so the teeth interlock evenly. Make sure you feel hair caught, not the scalp. If you need more stability, slide 1 or 2 bobby pins through the clip teeth into the hair above the nape. This anchors the top line and prevents forward or sideways slipping during movement. To finish, release a few strands around the face for a soft look and gently smooth flyaways with your fingers. This balances a secure hold with natural movement. Then spray a light, flexible hold hairspray to set the shape without stiffness. If the clip slips later, stop and add a thin foam pad or folded tissue behind the clip to increase friction, or insert another bobby pin through the clip teeth into hair. These simple fixes stabilize thin hair without.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.